What are assets in Tally? Assets in a business can be defined as something which is purchased and owned, having value and available meet debit commitments or legacies. In other words, assets simply refer to useful and valuable things which a business buy. What are accounting assets? An asset is a resource with economic value that an individual, corporation or country owns or controls with the expectation that it will provide a future benefit. Assets are reported on a company's balance sheet and are bought or created to increase a firm's value or benefit the firm's operations. How many types of assets are there in Tally? The two main types of assets are current assets and non-current assets. These classifications are used to aggregate assets into different blocks on the balance sheet so that one can discern the relative liquidity of the assets of an organization. What is the example of current assets? Current assets include cash, cash equivalents, accounts receivable, stock inventory, marketable securities, prepaid liabilities, and other liquid assets. Current assets are important to business because they can be used to fund day-to-day business operations and to pay for the ongoing operating expenses. What are three types of assets? Assets. Mostly assets are classified based on three broad categories, namely current assets or short-term assets, fixed assets or long-term assets, tangible assets, intangible assets, operating assets, non-operating assets, liability. What are types of asset accounts? Asset accounts represent the different types of economic resources owned or controlled by an entity. Common examples of assets accounts include cash in hand, cash in bank, receivables, inventory, prepaid expenses, land, structures, equipment, patents, copyrights, license, etc. Is capital an asset? Capital assets are significant pieces of property such as homes, cars, investment properties, stocks, bonds, and even collectibles or art. For businesses, a capital asset is an asset with a useful life longer than a year that is not intended for sale in the regular course of the business operation. What is standard asset? Standard asset for a bank is an asset that is not classified as an NPA. The asset exhibits no problem in the normal course other than the usual business risk. More specifically, according to RBI circular, substandard asset is an asset that has continued to remain an NPA for a period less than or equal to 1 year. What is your strongest asset? Collaboration. Being a good team player can benefit the workplace as it fosters creativity, communication, and amicable relationships. Passion, confidence, ambition, reliability, self-awareness, grit, communication. How do I get a list of company assets? Decide on a system for record keeping. Make a separate list of your physical assets. Create a list of your financial assets. Document your personal information. Include a description of the items. Attach proof of ownership.